And so again, we're basically going to use the foundation plan as the guide. So I need all ones or zeros so I can know to move forward. Okay. So again, basically what we're going to do with this is use the foundation plan to kind of outline the footing for this. And so I'll kind of go through it real quick and then we can kind of do it together. And so in your foundation plan, these lines here represent the footings. So if I kind of point to, it's going to be the lines that are going to be on the outside and the lines that are going to be on the inside that are going to represent the footing that's going to be under that foundation wall. All right, so these are going to be our footings that are going to be here. All right, so basically what you're going to end up doing is using rectangles, just like we did for the interior walls. When we did the interior walls for the model, we're going to use rectangles in order to create the footing. Okay. So in this case, again, I'll kind of go through it and then we can do it together. So you're going to use your rectangle tool in order to create the footing. And so if you go to the rectangle tool, what you're going to click on, and I'll kind of zoom in on it, you're going to click on this point, which is going to be the outside edge of the footing. Then I'm going to go to this point here. I'll zoom out and zoom in. You'll click there. By clicking here. Then going up to this point here. Then I'll click there. And go to this point. And finish it off. All right, so what may happen is you'll have that piece to kind of shade in. I'll just click inside of that and press my delete key. That should leave me with these 4 rectangles here. Okay. So I'll undo this and I'll go through it again. But I'll go ahead and put this in. Created 4 rectangles to represent footing. So if you were able to do that, please give me a 1 in the text chat. But I'll go through it again. So let me undo what I did there. So again, you're just using rectangles and I'll start on this corner. Then I will go to this point where these lines kind of cross each other here. And I'll click there. That'll give me 1 rectangle. My next rectangle will start on this corner. Then I will go up to this point where those lines cross. My next rectangle will start back on that same point. And let me make sure I get this zoomed right. This rectangle will end on this point. And then I will start back on that same point and finish up at this point here. So that last one would probably cause it to shade in. And what you would do is just click inside to highlight that rectangle on the inside and press your delete key. Okay, so if you were able to do that, give me a 1 in the text chat. If you had any trouble with that, please give me a 0, and then I'll give you an opportunity to share your screen.
Do we just erase the lines now?
You can, yes, Hassan, you can. So if you want to turn off the foundation plan, then you can go in and erase these lines that are here. That would be a good idea. So where those lines kind of join, you're going to go in and erase, just erase those lines. Basically push pull that shape. So if you go to your push pull tool, you're going to click inside of that shape. You're going to pull it down and type in 6. That's how thick the footing is, and press enter.